Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Park the Audi A3 on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and remove the key before you begin. Gather a short 8 mm socket, a flathead screwdriver, needle nose pliers, and a torque wrench calibrated to 8 Nm. Also have the replacement rear wiper blade sized 11 inches, 280 mm. Lay a soft towel across the hatch glass and lift the hatch to access the arm. Protect the paint and glass while you work, and keep all small parts in a tray so nothing rolls away. Raise the rear wiper arm a few inches from the glass and carefully pry off the small plastic cap that covers the 8 mm retaining nut using a flathead screwdriver. Use the 8 mm socket to break the nut free and remove it, then grasp the arm at its base and rock it gently while pulling straight up to clear the splined pivot. Avoid twisting hard. If the arm remains stuck, spray a small amount of penetrating lubricant, let it soak 5 minutes, then work it back and forth until it lifts free. Place the replacement 11-inch rear wiper blade assembly onto the exposed splined pivot, ensuring the indexing mark aligns with the arm orientation. Press it fully down. Thread the 8 mm retaining nut by hand to avoid cross-threading, then use the torque wrench to tighten it to 8 Nm for proper preload. Snap the plastic dust cap back over the nut, lower the arm carefully onto the glass, reconnect any disconnected power, and run 2 complete wipe cycles to confirm a clean 90-degree sweep and proper parking position without clatter or rubbing.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.